So today my whole focus is going to be this swing. Inside this swing, I need to be bearish. There's a lot of family gaps. Sorry, a lot of family gaps. The inhibitions is there, and price not at take the weekly low. So, and this is just a retracement. Once the weekly low has been taken, I can look for some sort of buy model towards upside. Not if not a big move, at least I try to catch a small retracement. And as of now, I need to be bearish inside this leg. So this is going to be the whole swing. Please already reached the equilibrium level, and this is the 50% of the 1 hour power gap. I don't know when it's going to reverse its direction. I just watching the price actions. So I like to see price form some sort of structure and validate my sell model, and I can short today and target this low. This is going to be the entire game plan for today. There is no fair value gaps here. I don't know when it's going to reverse. I have to wait for it to happen. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see inside this range. If I get the market maker sell model, I just short target this low. This is the whole game plan for GBPUSD for today. Until then, no compromise, no entry. So this might be the good entry. If not, this might be the good entry with the breaker. Above 50% of the level, this might be the good entry, or this might be the good entry. So I don't know. I just mark the 50% level. I just put some alert. So that's it, bro. Beautiful swing. So inside this swing, I'm going to be bearish. That is my rule. So today I'm here to tell you, if I execute any positions, I'm not gonna change my stop until my entry move at least 1:2. Hi, bro. If it moves 1:2, I can change my stop. I can allow it to take partials. I can do all those things. One it should be 1:2, or else it should be a valid swing high. My model, according to my model, based on my model. So these two things supposed to happen today. Because every day I just entered and manipulate my stop loss, which is not good. Even though I win the game, I break my rules. So that a trader cannot be successful if the traders keep on changing the stop loss, keep on touching the stop loss. You should move the stop loss. Yes, you should move the stop. If you ask me a question, do you have any authority to move the stop? Yes, you can move the stop loss, but you should have the knowledge and explanation to give why the hell you move that stop loss to that point. What make you or made you to move that stop loss? Why you think price will not gonna come to this point? That's the reason why I move, right? So you have to give that explanation and then you have to move the stop loss then. That's it. You have to reduce the risk. Yeah, I accept that. Like yesterday I just did something wrong, which means I before the actual sweep happened, I thought it's a sweep, but it's not a sweep. It's just a engineering liquidity. That that's where I missed my knowledge or missed my focus. But today it's gonna be dumb clear. Let's see. It's clear some sort of high and sweep the high. Let's see some sort of beautiful thing happen. Until then, I don't want to go to 1 minute. Uh, that's it, bro. That's the game plan for the whole day. For GBP let's see what's going on here. It's a London sub Asian range. Oh shit. Asia range. Whole London range. So it's kind of continuation for, for the past 2 weeks. It's been keep on selling. And it's here. What happened? It's clear London session. And price go all the way up to a 50% level and start to break downside, like kind of sending continuation. So expect the same here until it's reached the weekly low. This is going to be the weekly low rate. Weekly. So this is going to be the weekly low. So yeah, that's it, bro. It will go all the way up, sweep the high, come or sweep this highs. Don't know, but it seems like not gonna do all those things. Okay, solid. I set my alert. So yeah, that's it. Boom. Now I need to go to top step. Do some future analysis. So what happened here in Nasdaq? So here in Nasdaq, price still inside this fair gap. See the last high. Start a sell off, and there is no fair gap still on month on no sorry daily time frame. So and if it gets sweep, we can expect the price to reach this low. So this is the last day. Previous day high and low. Previous day high has been taken. This is the previous day low. So I just marked out the previous day low, which is very important. Previous day PB, PL, PLM. Previous day low or DL, which means daily low. Okay. So here I got a DL daily low and daily high already taken, and please also take the most extreme high, extreme wick. It swept, come all the way down, and price still inside this fair value gap, high time frame. Yeah. So this is what saying and I'm observing in daily in 4 hour. Do I have anything valuable here? Like in 4 hour, its price kind of keep on going higher, higher. The higher things this sweep, big displacement once it comes inside this range. The same price action, nothing much specific. Hold good push to the upside. Investor recent form bearish fair value gap. Give the very um, weak pullback. You can clearly see the pullback. It's very weak. Go all the way up, place of this high, then it start to sell off again. Okay. Okay. In 4 hours, to be honest, it's just weak. It's sell off. I don't see anything else, and I do have some travel gap share. And before that, I don't have anything. Hmm. Okay. And this is going to be the liquidity. Yeah. So this is going to be the liquidity. Really low. Um, so to 1 hour. So what happened, bro? Price just keep on going higher. This barrel clearly flipped. Oh, yeah, it's get flipped here. It's just keep on holding the price. Mhm. So what happened? Major liquidity taken. Big fair value of getting ran through. Sorry. Big fair value of got ran through, and it leaves the 1 hour bearish fair value gap here. So I can expect lower prices to this point and to this point. This is going to be the liquidity for today. Got it? But one more thing, price still inside this fair value, right? Yeah. Close above, kind of close above, big inversion, leave it bearish fair value gap. Commons fee, go all the way up inside this. So inside this range, I can look something called uh, selling. Let's see what's happened inside this range. In lower time frame, or else it's going to be the trap and just keep on going higher. Two things, liquidity has been taken. Big fire getting ran through. Leave this survey. So inside this survey, you can look for some sort of target. This lows, kind of, or else it's sweep some sort of swing low. It sweep these lows, tap this imbalance, start to go higher. Once this fair value gap getting flipped, I'm no longer going to be bearish. So inside this range, I like to see some reaction. Okay, fine. So and it seems like not a good candle. It seems like a big news candle. So it might hold, or it might not hold. I don't know. So what happens? It's a big bullish fair value gap, still holding. Okay, it's a big displacement. And answer that guy. Hmm, swept ongoing fire. Enter this beautiful range of 1 hour fair value gap. Below. It's a beautiful range of 1 hour fair value gap. The clean liquidity area. So I'm not sure it's going to hold or not, but let's see what happened inside this range. So style is going to be midline. I don't like this color. Just red and white. Yeah, that's fine. Boom, 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 boom. That is no I guess inefficiency. It can highlight in high. Okay. Okay, some sort of low. This guy and this guy getting swept. Still bunch of liquidity. Hmm. 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 Holy shit. It's given a lot to me. Hmm. It has a lot of time to form, right? So, boom, boom. So I don't see any kind of solid price action from the downside. I like to see these imbalances give some sort of bearish model, and I can target some lows and just like just walked out here from this place. This big imbalance has got ran to leave this imbalance. So inside this range, I need to be bearish. So until this point, I can be bearish. Let's see how it's going to unfold the price for today. So, yeah. It's going to give some reaction here. It's going to sweep this high. I don't know. Let's see what happened. But what happened here is it sweep the last high with a structure shift, sell off, and through all the parallel gaps, all the way towards this point. A lot of liquidity has been taken, bro. A lot of liquidity has been taken in the downside, to be honest. It's rebalanced to this point. Tap this guy, come all the way down, sweep the low, tap down now. So, but the price action formed here is I don't like it. It's not something. Um, mm, displacement and the mm, let's see the sessions. So no, I has been okay. I had it. Anyways. So I now I have the quote here. I can show you. This is the quote. What I mentioned here is I know my model. I know what I'm looking for. I know what kind of price action will happen inside my model. I'm just waiting here to sorry. I'm just waiting for it to present. I'm just waiting here for my model to present. That's it. So there is no news for today. Today I did have on GBB news orange folder and 4 p.m. I do have a friend President Trump speak. It's gonna be the orange folder again. Besides that, I don't have any kind of news, especially in the morning session. There is no news, bro. Nothing. June 10th, no news. So price is going to be a bit calm today. Might be chopping around, might be consolidation. Who knows? Okay, it's 8 o'clock. So these days I'm changing my time frame from 6 o'clock to 7:30. I'm not waking up 6 o'clock these days. Since I identify I'm setting long hours in front of the chart, it's kind of acting opposite to me. Like I'm not able to focus long hours. I can focus, but the the, the probability of executing some stupid trades, some unwanted trades is higher. So so I can potentially avoid those kind of things if I reduce my time window. So I plan to trade I plan to trade from 7:30 until 12 o'clock. That's my time frame. So 11:30 to 12 o'clock, sorry, 7:30 to 12 o'clock. If I find any model, I can enter. If not, that's it. If there is any movement, I, then it would be great. If there is no movement, it would be like, yeah, can't do anything, right? So yeah, there is no news for today, and let's just tap the 50% of the level, start to react again, and big displacement. Um, big displacement. If it gives a follow through, I will enter position here for the top of the high. Let's see. The point is some sort of high has been swept so that this high plays out. Price print just give the structure shift and price also tap the 50% of the H1 bullish, sorry, bearish level again. Let's see. New just a plain short. It's it's kind of a plain short. So in 5 minutes, I do have this value gap and I do have this value gap in 15 minutes. So it's tap the 15 minutes value gap, bro. Yeah, it's tap this 15 minutes value gap. Stab, start to sell off to the downside. Yeah, not filled, just tap. In 1 minute, yes, I get the structure shift. Once I tap this guy, I get the structure shift. Okay, bro, let's start to make some sense here. Ready to pull the trigger. Give me 1 second. It's 9 pips, so I can potentially put 0.6 or 7 lot here. Okay. 0.75 stop loss. That's going to be what? And it was 10%. Just put 0.45. Yeah. 0.45 here for entry, and one more entry is going to be which place? It's a bending order. It's supposed to be at this point. It's going to be 0.35. Plus it's going to be this high. the limit. Let's see how this will work. So what's the point here? Is come to this break. Okay, 1.35052. Once I press enter this one, I can execute free from there. I don't really want to. Hello, point is that. You don't know where the top incident. So you put some on. You just put this one in there. Put a third. See, shot. So that's it. Execution has been happened. Like to see what happened inside this range. So yeah, can't do anything here. Mm. So put some. modify. No, this one. Yeah. Hey, shit. Full stand alert. Oh. Modify. Full disturb. 1.35127. 1.35127. 1.351. 1.35127. One point three seven two three. Se le dan a poner también esta pequeña 1.3. The only place closer to you should close the positions, at least the big positions. Mhm. Yeah, that's not last board on the yeah, stop loss for only as well. Yesterday, yesterday, Saturday, Saturday. Very good example. Yes. I don't have any access, bro. I don't have any access. I have to accept the risk and just walk away. Oh, what happened here, bro? Mm, this is going to be my time. Yeah. Series around the just always at the front. Targeted. Sorry. Going to be a target. That's it. If it is a potential entry, by this time it should start to flush down, bro. That's what I mean. Got it? If it is a potential entry, it should by this time start to flush down towards the target. Since it's not a potential entry, I guess it's not. It's yeah, it's printing the model once it tap the M15 fair value gap. Since it's tapped the 50% of the H1, it prints some model like it's take all the liquidity and give the structure of the displacement. So it's a valid model. That's the reason why I entered here. Let's see. So you know, yeah, bro, it's super model. But I don't know it's gonna work around this. Series of uploading big dog plus candy. We can confidently hold the position. Series of uploads big down close once it tap the 50% level. So let's see how it works. These are the engineer liquidity just swept, start to sell off. Let's see. Don't panic at all. Yes, sir. If we create market make sell model again, like it sweeps the engineered liquidity, any kind of break below with with beautiful fair gap. So I can look for something called solid untraceable, solid untraceable. It work off. No, it's okay. If I want to work on that's okay. I'm fine with that. No worries. No worries. Yeah, we work on so the components all that now. Series of upclose handle and big down close handle, so it's most probably going to protect. Let's see. If it's not, I'm okay with that. I guess it's most probably not going to work out, even though it's flipped its direction. Not start to sell off. It's tempting me to close the question, bro. It's fucking tempting me to close the question. The point of closing the question is fucking bullshit. I mean, so almost safe here. Very tiny risk, Sabri. Very tiny risk. Still working. Got my point. Very tiny risk. Not more than 1%. Very tiny risk, not more than 1%. That's the reason I enter this way. This really hold settings. So let's. So for hereafter, once it formed this liquidity, sorry, fair value gap, I can move my stop from this point to this point. So this is where I expected the price not to come. Um, Not every position, but at least most of the position I'm going to do that. Um, because it's clearly engineered liquidity, so you can use the static shift. So I don't like to see any price reach this point. So potentially I move to stop loss once I get the discharge starting this place now. Potentially I move to stop loss. Technically I can move to stop loss at this point, but I just wait what's happening though. Let's wait and see. So here what happened. Just these are all the engineered liquidity those lick lick sell off. It's kind of break that should get protected. What happening next? I had to see that crazy. Mm, Nothing so far. It's just inside this range. Mm. Oof. 1.3510. 1.35. 1.350. So technically speaking, it's after stripping the heights, it's just a tissue press tab the breaker plus this primary gap. So I don't like to see the place close about this range. So I just keep it stop first. 1.35098. So but most of my stop loss going to be this. Only one stop going to be remain this place. 0.99. I'm technically move my stop to this point. To all my entries. That's what I can do and what I need to do, what I should do. Yeah. Then then stop us moving next time. So if it is work, it works. If not, it not. If it work, it work. If not, if not. That's it. 3.0. Yeah. 3.0. Should stop. No, that's okay, bro. It's fine and can just later. I'm not responsible. I'm not willing. I'm not willing to trust anything. Besides that, that's it. I love you. Yes. So I technically move always stop losses to this point. It should hold. If not, I'm wrong. That's the point. The reason for I move the stop loss, it is where you completely get filled. It started and through, and it also gives another structure shift to this area. So most probably it should hold the price. So if not, I'm accept the risk. I can willingly. Yes, a lot say super optimism. Better now. I'm doing good. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very good. Good night. Good night, bro. No, one person does bro. It doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. Like you're confident on the ஒரு சாலிடான நாட்டை போட்டிருக்கேன். Full push, full pull. According to the place, I think full pull. Stop at it's okay. No worries. For that. Evening வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கான்ஃபிடென்ட் எடுத்திருக்கேன். Structure shift, big displacement, learn on entry. Please clear the whole eye. So இந்த பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் I just move once I see this thing, I move my stop loss to this point and it stopped out. That's it. So I can close all those things now. Everything has been done. So I can journal this guy in the morning. Just about 15 minutes, just I mark this earlier as well. Let's see what happens at this end. And time is going to be 8:52. Today I am entered with full pool, so this kind of losses will be happen for sure. I can't avoid that. It's exactly 1% loss today, and I can't avoid that, bro. It's a really good entry. I can say it's really good entry. It's like 80. It's so fine. Nothing much. Mm, this guy, he's lost. This guy lost almost what about today? Nothing much. Cumulatively, it's not more than $50. But I execute one lot, which is great. Mm, this is very great. Even though I execute one lot, I'm not even lose 50. I beautifully match my trade. And then MT4, what happened in MT4 guy? Today is just $10, bro. Still, it's a big loss. Oh, I lost $10. Even though I managed my stop one. 1 0. Still, I'm going to go for a shot, but I don't know where it's going to be. It's printed a model after it's tapped the 50% level, but it's in 5 minutes. This Varaliga kind of flipped upside, like it's kind of sweep the high, but it's kind of flip the Varaliga. So I was a bit confused. Once I tap this range, I can be more happy to sell. Let's see, bro. What about here? Nothing much to talk about. Mhm, mhm. Literally a good lot size allocation, beautiful model in 1 minute, reasonable entry, everything is good. Risk is also beautifully managed. Besides the 50k, 50k last 1% since I put very significant lots, very big lots. Like I put for 1.5 lots. It's okay. If I execute the same trade last day, I'll execute it. If I hold the trade, it would be great for me. So let's play. Let's play. If my executions, if my trade management like this, I'm not going to lose anything though. Losing is doesn't matter, but I have to follow my plans. Today I follow my plans. Even though it's kind of shaking me out, but now I feel a bit confident because I did everything based on my model, right? I did everything based on my model. I'm not doing anything. Um, this guy is pretty big. These two guys are very small. Holy shit. No, 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 no. How to very place enter this range. This guy out this high, enters this range. Kind of what happened is big, it's a tap, big down post candle. I expect a continuation, but not. Yes, I already pretty much holding the price. Now it's been the equal highs. Let's wait the equal highs to take first. Bro, I'm assure you that once I take the payouts, it doesn't matter. I'm going to play this kind of games. I'm going to be very aggressive. I'm going to be execute fine lots. I execute big lots. I say all I need to do just wait for my model to present. Once I identify my model, no wait, just execute my positions with good lot. Once it gives 1 to 2 or 3, that's it. Close my positions. That's what I need to do. What I should do now to pass the platform accounts. I've been trading platforms for so long, and it's not going to work if I put. I can learn through that, but I can't pass through that. I can pass, but it's kind of not good. So all I need to do is just identify the model. Once I identify the model, just execute with good lot. 1:2 was good. 1:2 or 2.5 max. Don't try to shooting the moon. Don't focusing on shooting the moon. Just focus on um, capturing 2 to 2.5 consistently, and you have to build the patience. It's if I align this with higher time frame, it would be a great model, but it's not aligned with my higher time frame. According to my higher time frame, this is going to be the structure shift with displacement, so I can target this low and this low. It's going to be great entry, but it's not aligned. Since it's not aligned with my higher time frame, it's only in 1 minute, and it's not worked. It's clearly got flipped. It's I like it's the liquidity has been taken. Big displacement structure shift. I entered my position here. Entered my position here. Put the stop loss at the high. Everything has been planned. Targeting this low. Everything has been so good. But the point is, price is not ready yet to show my price action. It's just a manipulation move. So hereafter, if I found any kind of entry, I should go and I should enter. Let's wait. All I need to do is just come to break even, bro. Just come to break even. Once you come to break even, once you reach the point of break even in all my profit accounts, then the game is going to be completely different. Until then, just be patient. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in 30 minutes. Mhm. What the hell, bro? It's futures. It shouldn't move. It's literally sweet. Mm, yeah, it's literally swept the liquidity. Start to rebalance to this range. Inversion, it takes out big displacement. This is also an inversion. So every bearish fair value gap keep on disrespecting. So price might reach this point since it is a big sellers, like kind of panic sellers in my terms. Might be a new scandal or some event. So most probably it's a lot of liquidity and inefficiencies here. So price might take this high. And the price is also sweep this low, tap the 1 hour, start expand higher. And this is the weekly, so not really daily low, not swept yet. I'm not able to see any fair value capture. That's the reason I'm not seeing any fair value capture. So that's the reason why I'm not feeling comfortable with this entry. And 1 hour, 15 minutes. Still, I can't able to see any fair value gaps in bullish side. Mm, 9 o'clock candle open. Just mark out the 4 hour. Low prices inside the bearish fair value gap. Okay, it can be very bearish here. Go all the way up inside this range. Once it flipped, so the dollar is going to be this high. It's obvious. So this is the 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock candle. High has been taken now. So just want to move on to it's the last manipulation leg, if I'm not wrong. This is the manipulation leg that I got manipulated. This is the might be the real leg. Let's see. And in 25 minutes, the market is going to open. So we're getting tagged. So recently found. Oh my god, again. So please tap this panel gap. This kind of liquidity has been taken. Place of the manipulation high. Yeah. And take a high. Clear out, clears out. Equalize has been clears out. Please tap the M5. Panel gap. Tap the H4 fair value gaps. The recently formed bearish fair value gap. Let's see what's happening inside this range. What happened here, bro? It's sweep all the liquidity, structure shift, go all the way up, enter position at the top of the high. Start to see this load to take. That's what you can say, right? It's valid cell model, bro. It's a valid cell model that recently formed. So it's inside the valid of the swept and the value of that holding the place now got ran through it. And it's rebalanced to this point. So this is where you can see the position of the stuff. Pattern my position here to the top of the low. This is running a TP1. Hit, take partials. Leave the runners towards this low. Good, but I'm not agree to it. Oh. So according to M5, inside the swing is engineering the liquidity. Okay, bro. So, oh, bro. I can't say anything. It's just plain ran through. Oh, என்ன bro? யாரு? தெரியல ப்ரோ. நேத்து யாரும் ஹோட்டல் போலயே. நீங்க தான் போயிட்டு வந்தீங்க. Yesterday is a fine day, bro. Fine day. The place where I need to add some positions, I'm not added. I just delete the stocks. It's just the fine day. For me, rather than executing position inside the fair value gaps, rather than looking for some places inside the fair value gaps, for me, what more valid is if the price sweep or take out any kind of liquidity, it's going to be really good. Um, it seems like not a good company. It seems like panic sellers. So by the time this kind of scandals get righted, so because it's already get dabbed and swept. Now it's start to display higher, so most probably this high getting it will clear out. Most probably this kind of scandal will get cleared out. Kind of new scandal will. So try to be cautious with what you're doing. Mhm. Also, rather than the fair value gaps entry, so liquidity sweep, structure shift, fair value gap is pretty good, bro. Rather than the rather than the fair value gap. But inside the fair value gap, it's a bit confused. Like Since it is high time for parallel gap, I don't know where I am enter. Sometimes the parallel gap get ran through. After that, it gives the structure shift and displacement. Sometimes it gives the structure shift and displacement exactly at the 50% level, like or like this 50% level. So, but the thing is, so I most probably get confused with M1. If I wait for M5 structure shift, yeah, it's a sweep. M5 structure shift is going to be this. Yeah, should flip. This is going to be the structure shift. This is where I enter the stop with the stop. Sorry, enter my position, put the stop at the high, targeting this low. So this is what I need to do in M5. So if I look for M5, I'm not going to enter any position. That's what I'm telling to you. My model is working, but in 1 minute, I need to identify where I can execute. Especially in sort of sweep, I can be super good. At any kind of sweep point, I can be there. So in 10, 15 minutes, the market will open. We have to wait for market open. 9:30 the market will open. So that time you big. Oh, today's Tuesday, right? She might not be. She might not come to here. We might have the college for today, right? Uh, So if it has been swept, so this value I think for the website might open in 10 minutes or that. So and M5 if it has been sweep structure shift but no displacement yet, but it's flipped the value gap, created this value gap. Was it this put too lot? Just to buy. Why buy here? Insert M5, sweep the liquidity, flip the family gap, displays close above this range. So I enter my position here at this family gap to stop at this. Swing low, reasonable point. I didn't get any displacement yet. Let's see how it works. 10 minutes before market opening. Okay? Just $60, bro. Holy shit, bro. It's going to be the target. Reasonable target, right? The hell is bro? It's not showing. Matter of 5 minutes, it's going to be the market open blue. I entered my positions. Just a small analysis. Like it's not a big stuff, but it's clearly the news candle bro. It must be going to take the high before it gives any sort of movement. So let's wait the price to reach this high or inside, or else it gives some sort of reaction inside. Just wait and see, bro. And also says to receive the power that you just set my uh, so the reason for the entry is nothing but price speed the liquidities. It's a big imbalances right here, kind of news candle, and price break this high, keep on generating the liquidity, and this M5 beautifully hold the price. Once the price tap the M5, first time getting tapped, second time tap the M5, structure shift close above, big inversion, and leave this fair value gap. So I enter my position. Once I tap the fair value gap, put my stop at this low, expecting higher prices, and I like to see this big imbalances get ran through. So let's see, but I don't know what's going to happen after market open. Let's see. This structure shift, inversion, fair value gap. I don't need to wait hereafter. And in M5, it's dumb clear. And in M5, it's bit clear. This fair value gap. Keep on rejecting. So let's see what's going to happen. Mhm. Only thing which I missed today is there is no displacement through the swing high. If yeah, it's a sweep. Shit. It's a stop, bro. That's fine. That's fine. It's not a big stop as well. It's just a tiny, small, tiny bit. It's just $63, bro. If you're not willing to put $63 on the table, then the point of trading is nothing. So one more thing here is it's sweep all the liquidity. Use touch a shift. Here I can exit my sell model, put the stop at the high. Targeting this liquidity. It's pretty clear, but I missed this entry. Like it's clear touch a shift here fair value. Once the price come to tap once I see this thing, I can enter my position here, put the stop at the high, targeting opposite liquidity. It's clearly take out my target. What happened, bro? No, it's still holding up right now.
உங்களுக்குள்ளேயே பேசும்போது கூட நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பேசுவீங்க போல.
Mm, M5 still holding. Might be a bit earlier.
சிக்னல் இருக்கீங்க ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டி மறந்து போட்டு காய்ச்சல்.
Let's see. Am I gamble or am I just following model? I don't know.
பாய் ப்ரோ.
Bye, bro. Boom, 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 boom. I'm still gamble, bro. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So as of now, I'm lost 160 bucks, 80, 160. I gave away my 30 percentage, like the 50 percentage of the profits that I made the last day. I gave away today. I donated it without having proper understanding. Why the reason I'm buy here, bro? So it's a clear inefficiencies. I like to see price go above, right? So I like to see price go above, and the thing is, lost liquidity has been swept. It's kind of flipped the fair value gap. It's kind of turned its back in 5 minutes. It's kind of keep on holding, so I expecting some price to go this place, but it didn't. First entry, it's pretty good. It's flip at breakout, so I entered. But second entry is fucking bullshit. It's completely impulsive entry. I've not followed anything. Just entered impulsively. I thought like still the M5 holding the price. This is just a sweep. So this will go all the way up and give the section shift for me to enter, but it didn't. I will just come up with some sort of stupidity. So okay, market open in 1 minute. Let's see what's going to happen. So this is what I left. This is extremely premium fair value gap in this whole swing. M5, M1. This is the extremely premium fair value gap in this move. It's kind of enjoying the liquidity at this point, so I don't know price will reach this point or price just start to reverse its direction from this point. It's the breaker plus this fair value gap. It's a breaker plus this fair value gap. So I like to see something here. Like this guys. This guy should be deleted. Every fair value gap get ran through bro, so it's most probably going to reach this point. And might be a bullish day. Might be a bullish day. I might be wrong. Mm-hmm. Let's keep on going higher, higher, higher. This guy getting respected or not? I don't know. I want to see that. 1 minute. Market open. So M5 fair value gap so far holding the price now get ran through. So I just marked out. I need to mark out the liquidity zones. So. Mhm. So this is going to be the clear liquidity zone that it's created so far now. Mm. M5 this is going to be the liquidity zone. This is what this is the this is just a tree. I just marked this. Just see this level keep on going high. And yeah, the daily low. I give away my 50% of my position profit. So the two entries that I took, it's completely bad. But I most probably can execute this position since it makes some sense. We structure shift, rebalance, keep on rejecting. I can target this value gap which clearly attained. Let's see. So market open. So I marked out this liquidity zones. So some sort of liquidity has been swept at the low. It's not a big liquidity, but it's inside this value gap. It's sweep. Okay. So some sort of liquidity has been swept here. Beautiful. Mhm. It is just an M5. Some sort of liquidity has been swept. So This is going to be the inversion for the day. This is an inversion. It's a close above entered just above the loop. 3 and 3 again. Liquid is sweep inside 5 minutes. Whatever. Liquid is sweep inside the bullish here. Mhm. So inversion, entry, stop super tight. Yeah. Yes, I'm resting. This is I know it is. I know it's not super shit. Okay, what's the reason I entered, bro? Liquid is free, my friend model inside the Fair Valley gap inversion inside this M1 Fair Valley gap. Give me a sec. Take out that guy inside the M1 Fair Valley gap. So here it is the anticipated inversion. One background continue this and I have to do some different colors for this. And technically expect and technically expect the price to reach this point. Hey, bro, I'm late. Huh? Was fucking late. I take was fucking entry and I'm doing profitable guys. Oh, nice. I'm happy that you brought But before that, I lost two trades, but it's a tiny small loss. Look at profits $250. ஆனா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி Still, I can hold the price to this point. I knew, but I was a bit greedy, fucking greedy. So that's the
I
reason.
probably won't get an entry today, but it's okay.
Yeah,
Just like that.
தெரியுதா
ஆ?
நாங்க எந்த இடத்துல பண்ணிட்டேன்
பார்க்கலாம் இருங்க. Amazing, amazing day. Really, really good. What you say? Mm-hmm. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Feel like sun on my skin. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு கெனடியன் கூட செம்மையா பேசியிருந்தாங்க, சூப்பரா பேசினாங்க அவங்க. வயசானவங்க. நல்லா நான் இந்தியாவுக்குலாம் வந்திருக்கேன், சென்னைக்குலாம் வந்திருக்கேன், எனக்கு அங்க டீ தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படி இப்படின்னு சொல்லி பேசிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Ooh, what a lovely day, bro. What you say? You and me. All right. Ha.
Any idea?
I get it. Probably this would have been an inverse liquidity sweep. Lower time frame market open. Got it. What you say? You and me. Inverse. Okay. Market open. What's the market open did? Was huge. What you say? You and me. Feel like sun on my skin. This is love. I know it is. Zero. Sell. Alam, what's my name? What you say? You and me. Okay. Market open, liquidity sweep, 15 minutes fair value gap, and here you go with inverse fair value gap up here. So the reason why I took the trade, there's a liquidity sweep, market bullish for the day. There's a lot of resting liquidities below. Market open didn't sweep all this shit. So this might be a tiny loss if I lose, but it's okay. All right. That's an inverse fair value gap. Everything's lined up, still getting stopped out. It's not in our hands. Wait for another setup or probably don't take a trade. What you say? You and me.
Stop.
God.
சரியான வாலட்டிலிட்டியா இருக்கணும் So liquidity sweep inversion which created a bearish family gap who entered to the top of the
Chasing you do.
can't already display.
I think that you break goes way when I close my eyes. And I get a kiss. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Daily candle பார்க்கணும் daily candle பார்க்கவே இல்லை
Daily low எடுக்காம வந்திருக்கு.
daily high sweep பண்ணிச்சாங்க
low எடுக்கல. You can probably target the low.
Low of the day. I'm targeting low of the day. For real. I mean, I'm so positive the trade is gonna play out my way. If I'm gonna stop out, my stop loss might be wrong, but the direction, bro, slit. It's like Travis Scott. Slit. Not the daily low, bro. What? This is the daily low. Change in state of delivery. I don't know. Might be an aggressive entry over there, but still looks good. Hey. La 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 la. Okay, class போனேடா கிளாஸ் ஏன் போறது இல்ல கம்மன் கலை போடாது என்ன பார்த்து பயந்துட்டீங்களா what you say you man read shit no good timing message போடுற டைம் நமக்கு கிடையாதா
ஏன்
அவங்க ட்ரேடிங் பிடிக்கிறதா
வரமாட்டாரே
அவர்லாம் வரமாட்டாரு அவ்வளவுதான் what you say you and me one is to 2.75 5 in this trade. Disappear in morning. Shut up. Get it started. Good day. For real. It's a good day. It's good loss if I was. Okay. Definitely investing that. Definitely stopping me. I think there's another listing liquidity about, I guess. But all this has to be patient. Ain't gonna stop now. It's just another $100 loss. All good. Remove it. Wait for another setup. Diamonds didn't even form a structure. Stop loss,
ஆமா
What you say? You bitch. Feel like sun on my skin. This is love. No, it is. I don't care. She just started the bucket for a nigga in the black and tell me, baby, it's real. I sing, don't you fall sick and squeeze it and I can tell how it feels. Man, maybe she maybe it was real. Yeah, do it for the. I'm just gonna send a 50 game on she will. $0.00 Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Let's get it.
भैया है ना
Mm.
ये
Uh-huh.
इन्वर्शन का
Marriage. Vice. I might be wrong for the day. I'm too cocky right now, so market can humble me. It should humble me, but I feel too cocky right now. That's the problem. It's going to say, okay, please, son, leave this place today and come back tomorrow. Might say, but God is with me. God is always with me.
Even for the innovation holding the place, it's good terms. If it's just somewhere gap again, so interrupt with the stop pause.
Oh shit!
Nice.
Ah, what do I say now? What
Hello?
do I say?
हाँ सलमान लग गया